We are a company on a mission to aid the afflicted through the ingenuity of our minds,
the labor of our hands,
and the compassion of our hearts.
The Acumed mission at the end of the day is working through the compassion that we have here.
At Acumed, we support surgeons and healthcare providers who treat patients in their time of need.
Together, we can improve patient outcomes and quality of life. We're proud of our long-standing reputation for innovation and differentiation.
Randy and Mary Hubner created a company rooted in a patient-centric approach with innovation.
What they would try and instill upon you is you need to do your homework. You need to understand what you're developing to make sure when you approach your customer, you can instill a confidence in them that the product they're about to use from Acumed delivers the outcome they want.
Our customers are patients, healthcare professionals, healthcare entities, and policymakers.
We want to make sure that our customers have a speedy recovery for traumatic injuries and for reconstructive episodes.
They demand state-of-the-art solutions to improve their quality of life.
Together, we support surgeons and healthcare providers who treat patients in their time of need.
Collectively, between our direct commercialization as well as our social responsibility, we're in 86 countries around the world.
We're wholly committed to supporting our partners outside the U.S. These folks are completely committed to our company as well, and the relationship that we have with them is one based in trust.
Our field sales organization is our front line to the customer. They're there in the operating room with the customer every single day. They provide ultimate service, which is a reflection of Acumed itself.
Most of the surgeons will never meet me, but all of the surgeons have met a rep.
Not only they provide that support on the spot, they put their scrubs on and go into the OR and provide that support to the surgeon.
They are living our mission every day on the front lines, making sure the patient has an outstanding experience and we have the right product in the right place at the right time. So our field sales force has to be immediately responsive.
Acumed makes high-quality, innovative solutions for the musculoskeletal market.
2018 is Acumed's 30th year in shifting the plate and screw paradigm. Over the last 3 decades, we have numerous industry firsts in fracture fixation. The AccuTrack headless compression screw is the gold standard around the world for its profile, compression, and fixation. The clavicle and scapula plating system was the first anatomically contoured solution on the market.
When we develop our products, we want to make sure that we take our scientific direction from our clinicians and all the other stakeholders that are involved with the process. We interact directly with them, get their feedback, and make sure that we implement their suggestions into the design of the product.
We work with over 150 surgeons all over the world for a variety of reasons. It's critical that we get their input in the design of our products.
We show them different iterations of prototypes. We also will often see cases, just talking to surgeons, asking them what works, what doesn't work, what's giving them trouble. It's a great partnership.
We also need to be aware of how that physician uses a single product or a single instrument in their own personal community. That evidence-based utility or evidence-based medicine directly relates to our evidence-based design.
Human-centered design thinking is a practice that we do here at Acumed. In developing a product, we look at holistically every aspect of who interacts with the product and make sure that we implement their inputs.
Acumed is a company that strives to be 100% compliant with all of the laws, rules, and regulations that guide our business. We're doing what's right not because we have to, but because we want to.
As a medical device manufacturer, our responsibility is to make sure that our surgeons know how to use our product and that they know what products are available and when those products make sense for their particular patients. We deliver education through a variety of ways. That's through didactic lectures, x-ray conferences, case controversy discussions, cadaveric simulated surgeries, sawbone simulated surgeries, as well as one-on-one trainings and in-office trainings.
As you're developing the product, you need to evaluate if it's improving the clinical outcomes. So we do clinical studies on a regular basis. We look at different indications, we look at different products, and we assess that they are actually improving the quality of life.
Making sure that the patients are going to have the best outcome possible, and the surgeons are going to rely on that clinical evidence before they ever even try a product.
Acumed is a company that is one team, one dream, and one mission.
What the Acumed Way means to me is a definition of a heart of a company.
It's not what we make. It's not something material that you can hold in your hands. It's the purpose of the people.
I take a huge level of pride in the fact that I work for a company that impacts humanity. What we do every day really changes people's lives.
What's motivated me so many years in this industry is really helping people. That's the ultimate end game.
I can honestly tell you that I absolutely love coming to work every day. I love the interaction of providing a product that can actually improve somebody's life.
To me, it's not a job. To me, it's a lifestyle of really caring deeply and being able to care deeply about employees and your customers. Most importantly, I think why we're all here is because we believe in the mission.